Good morning everyone, don't mind the face. I just did my base makeup, so I have put a little bit of powder and just eyeshadow because I am going to Taj Malabar today. I got this a gift card, so I'm just making use of the gift card. Oh, the baby is awake. So anyway, I just thought I'll vlog the entire day. We'll be checking in after a couple of hours. It's 8 in the morning. I have loads to do. Also, I'm planning to do a photo shoot, so that is why the makeup. So anyway, I just thought I'd take you through and show you what I'm up to. A very simple vlog perhaps. It is a collaboration with Shesha Ayurveda. Before leaving, I wanted to color my mom's hair. Now, I used to use Shesha's Nilini. With Nilini, I have understood that there are many other Ayurveda based hair color products that actually, what can I say, it irritated my scalp. It made my strands very dry. Nilini is not like that. It comes in a black version. It also comes in a brown variant. So today we are going to use the brown variant. I'm going to wait for my mom to just get ready to film because, getting her, I can't do it on my hair because I have light colored hair and I don't use any more box colors on my strands, on my scalp. It's just because it took me a long time and a lot of money to lift the hair color. My brother and I love Nilini, so we shall show you exactly how this one works. Alright, so let's go. So this is the outfit from Azarina. That's the outfit for today. I like it. It's just a very simple summery outfit. Nothing too fancy, but I guess this will do for today. Shall we go? I have my makeup ready, my hair almost, my luggage it got locked, so I can't open it. I'm actually panicking, but hopefully before the photographer gets here, I'm hoping that I can get that sorted because all of my outfits, my jewelry, everything is in there, and I probably will have to break the bag. I probably will have my lunch. I think the photographer will be here by 2:30. The time right now is 12:21. I have some time to just get my outfit sorted, so probably we'll go down and have some lunch and enjoy the view. This is the first outfit, all sorted. So it's a Western outfit, and then I've got two saris that I'm just going to change into. The lipstick is the Maybelline, that glossy one. I shall leave the whatever products that I've used, you guys, it'll be there in the description bar, so check it out. Hair for this, I don't know, I'm just going to leave it to the photographer to decide what exactly we are going to do. So probably, just take some aesthetic shots in the bathroom, wearing some earrings, and just jazz it up a little bit. So yeah, I'll take you behind the scenes right now. Ooh, we have bangles. Look at that, maybe. So we have just decided to go to this restaurant. We're pretty early with our dinner, but I was starving and I'm also tired. And this one needs to go to bed by 8:30 max. So we're here at this restaurant. It's a Pan-Asian restaurant at the Taj Malabar.
'cause you're the baddest beauty. There's a lot more it doesn't matter.
Hello, I'm back in my room. I couldn't vlog what I ate. Face skin, this is a face mop. Pretty good, quite decent for the price. This one from Foxtail, again, top 10 under 500. This is the Foxtail Hydrating Cleanser. It's such a creamy cleanser. And if you hate double rinsing, double cleansing, this will remove everything as your first step. Alright, now I'm going to take the Watermelon Super Glow 10% Glycolic Renew Face Serum. I think my skin requires a little exfoliation. I really like this glycolic serum. Apply that all over my face. And on days that I use glycolic or any AHA, I don't apply retinol. I just leave it at that. I need something extra hydrating. And instead of a moisturizer, I've been loving sleeping mask. I'm not talking about sheet mask. Sleeping mask has got, healing properties. It's also got various ingredients that work overnight. Nothing sponsored, you guys. I'm just saying that I love it. Look, I've got so less left and I can't wait to go and pick more up. And look at that. It's like a gelatinous blob that just goes on my skin. Coming! So it'll remain, it'll keep my face so hydrated and really dewy. That's it. That's my skincare routine for the night done. I don't go extra. It's very, very minimal. So if I'm using like niacinamide, then I'll use a retinol. Retinol is only twice a week. When I'm exfoliating, I don't use a retinol, So you got to gauge exactly how to play around with your skincare. And that's a peptide lip balm. And this is from Earth Rhythm. Reminds me so much of the Rhode Peptide Lip Balm. So I shall see you tomorrow. Bye. So I've got my gloves ready. This is the Nilini dark brown color. Let's do this. It retails for around $499. You get 40 grams. There's about 4 to 5 sachets out here. I'm going to use 2 today. So let me show you the whole process. So I usually like to, apply anything that's natural base like this on a bowl that has got brass, copper bowl. Basically, it just works better. And then I've got this brush. It does not come along with Nilini hair packet. You're only getting the sachet in this. So all this is something that you might have to invest in. And I also don't think that they have gloves. I mean, we'll check all of it. So what I love about it is that you don't have to open anything. This is a patch test sample that you can get, and that just makes it a lot more easier instead of just opening a packet, So just do a patch test, and I find this really nifty and clever of Shesha to do that. And then you've got your instructions manual. You've got all of that, whatever catalog that Shesha comes as a brand. And like I mentioned, right here in the instruction manual, they have given you like steps basically on what to do and what not to do. Everything is mentioned here. And you get around 4 sachets of it. Okay, so again, they're giving you complete warning label in the back. So you can't miss this one out, you guys. So let's start with 1 sachet because, mom's hair is mid-length and she doesn't have that many grays. But let's start with the first one. So I've already cut one, and inside that also there is a sachet. So just double protects it. As you can see, this is what the powder looks like. I'm going to empty the contents of it. So this is how much comes out of just 1 sachet. Now I'm just going to apply a little water and I will gauge exactly if I need more. So put some water. You're going to mix it up properly. Sometimes when I have leftover coffee, the filter coffee when we make, the leftover ground coffee in that, whatever water comes out of it, I also put this. And what you need is a nice smooth paste, and definitely get the smell of that henna. And it's a good thing that they have a dark brown because the other black was a bit too black for my liking. I'll just leave it on for around 15-20 minutes, let that all marinate properly before I apply it on the scalp. So the instructions are simple. You just empty the contents of 1 sachet using sufficient water to make a paste consistency. And from what I've understood, it all depends on your hair length, and sometimes you might have to go in with 2 sachets depending on the length of your hair and the thickness. And apply it on grey hair, leave it for 90 minutes and then wash off with normal hair. I usually leave it on for more than 90 minutes, the longer the better. Once the sachet is opened, use as fast as possible. If open for more than 3 hours, you discard it completely. And the results should last you for around 15 to 20 days. Every 15 to 20 days reapplication is required. Each sachet is for single use only. Of course, 100% natural products can also be allergic to some people, so kindly do a patch test on the back side of your ear for 24 to 48 hours and discontinue if irritation occurs, and please consult your doctor. Detailed patch test method is discussed in the manual side of the box. This product is not intended for use on person under the age of 16. Keep out of reach of children, and this product is not recommended for dyeing eyelashes or eyebrows. So this is how the hair looks. There's a tinge of brown. So mom kept it on for around 1 hour. Can you turn this way with your... so you can see the longer the better. I feel I would have kept it for around 1 hour, I'd say 30-40 minutes, but can you see the brown tinge that has come with this? It's beautiful. The black was too dark, you know, and this is just amazing. It gives that beautiful tinge of color. Her hair is still wet, so let her dry it and then you'll be able to see the color even better. Look at that beautiful color. And again, it has covered most of her grays. Actually, all of it is just that it's a light brown color. The longer that she keeps, it would have been darker. And I also noticed that with this, if you put coffee water, you know, that is coffee powder soaked in water or tea leaves, it'll even add a better tinge. So this is it. Jogging and having tea early morning, yeah. But when you're in a hotel and the bed is so nice and comfy, that's the last thing you can do is just to wake up and exercise. Oh, anyway, if you know what I'm singing about. Going down for breakfast, guys. It's what, 9 o'clock in the morning. Had a good sleep. Slept well? Chotu? Slept well? Anyway, so going to get our breakfast done and then go back to the room and chill, and I have to edit a video, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, so my stay here at Taj Malabar is done. I'm on my way home. It's been fun. The thing is, with short stays like this, I'm very privileged that I can. I'm not, denying that. But it's just that sometimes at home and what can you say, the service that you get at a hotel are two different things. And as a mom who is single-handedly taking care of everything, sometimes you just want to unwind and get away from, the entire household kind of rituals, so it's nice that I can order room service. I have the best sleep always at a hotel room. And I also tend to give my mom that same break because it's so nice to just catch up, and just the three of us. I don't have to worry about what Nivi is eating because there's always something for her, something for me, something for mom. But I hope that you give Nilini from Shesha Ayurveda a chance, because trust me, it has really improved mom's hair. Her hair fall has also stopped. She has wonderful hair for someone of her age. And it's because for the last couple of months she has stopped using every other hair color and she has been just sticking to Nilini. It's that great, and the color is just right for her. She loves that sort of a brown tinge other than that really dark color. So if you want to give Nilini a try, you know what to do. I've got my discount codes and every other link that is there in the description bar, so check it out, and I shall see you in my next vlog. Until later, bye for now.